Hello everyone, my name is Tor and welcome back to Anthropology. In today's video, it's very exciting. The day has finally come. I'm going on vacation. So if this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. On this channel, I talk all about things fashion related, luxury handbags, mindful consumption, and now travel vlogs as well. So if you're interested, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. So happy that you're here. Comment down below, let me know. And in today's video, I'm doing a pack with me. So I am going to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic with my boyfriend for his birthday. We planned this trip 3 months ago and we're very excited. I live in Vancouver. I have a lot of travel ahead of me and let's get to packing. So I will be packing my Rimowa Essential Cabin S. So this luggage, my cabin luggage, as well as my large Prada nylon tote. So I have dedicated reviews and videos on both of these. If you're interested, I will leave them down below and in the card section. So we are going for 1 week to Punta Cana. I have never been to the Dominican Republic. I am very excited about it. Okay, so this is most of what I'm bringing. Obviously, I still need to pack some more socks. That's my underwear, so like, don't look at that. But these are some of my shirts as well as shorts, some books, my new hat. This is actually the Ami Paris and Puma collab. It's really, really cute. It's very lightweight. I wanted more of like a summer hat. I have 2 pairs of Lululemon ABC joggers, sweatshirt, just a, like a button-down shirt to wear for dinners. My t-shirts, all of them. Also, I'm bringing a lot of like camera stuff, so I will be packing this as well. And then also my new jacket. So let's get to packing. Okay, so we have a lot of space. Where to begin? I guess we just start putting things in. So I guess while I'm doing this, I'll tell everybody about my trip. So we are staying at the Excellence Punta Cana. Can you even see me? We're staying at the Excellence Punta Cana in Punta Cana. So we picked this one. We originally went to Mexico together on our first trip 4 years ago in 2018. Obviously we wanted to go in 2020. Miss Rona happened, pushed off. Here we are. We were originally wanting to go to Costa Rica. I've always wanted to go to Costa Rica, but we also want that all-inclusive experience where we're just really pampered. We don't really have to do anything. We don't really have to think. We just want to go. So we were looking around. When we went to Mexico in 2018, we had this really bad experience with the beach. It was covered in seaweed, like rotting seaweed. It smelled like rotten eggs for the whole time. We couldn't use the water at all, so we were kind of hesitant to book Mexico again. When we were doing some research, looking at all the different places, we noticed that Punta Cana, specifically the Dominican Republic, didn't have that much of a problem with seaweed, and the beaches looked amazing. It was more expensive than Mexico, and it is quite a bit farther to get to. For example, from Vancouver, Mexico is only like 6 hours away, direct flight. To go to Punta Cana, we're going to have to go from Vancouver to Toronto to Punta Cana. It's 13 hours of travel. We leave tonight at midnight. So for reference, it is June 10th. We leave at midnight and we arrive in Toronto at around like 7 a.m. Toronto time. We leave Toronto to go to Punta Cana at around noon, and then we should arrive in Punta Cana at around 4 p.m. So that's our itinerary. For this vlog, it'll just be packing, but I will also be doing a travel vlog where I'm showing us going to the airport, our experience at the airport, traveling, and then sort of arriving and first impressions of the hotel. Once we're at the hotel and once I've sort of done that, I will not be filming anything. So sorry y'all, but it's just an intro. I want to enjoy my trip. Oh my God, I haven't packed in so long. Like, what do I even pack? Okay, so in terms of shoes, I'm bringing these. These are my Castañer espadrilles. I got these a few years ago. My partner actually got me them for our Mexico trip. They're just like a great easy slide, so I'll be bringing those. Also, my Havaiana flip-flops, love these. We'll definitely be bringing these for around the pool. And then the other shoes I'm bringing are my Lululemon Blissfeel runners. I love these. These are honestly amazing. I'll probably be wearing these on the airplane. Okay, so we decided to only do carry-on. I'm not big on the whole checked luggage thing, so I'm bringing this Prada t-shirt. We're there for 7 days and 7 nights, but I want to have a couple options. I'm bringing this Moschino t-shirt. It's gonna be really warm while we're there, super humid. Also my Sandro cat t-shirt. My Burberry uniform t-shirt, super comfortable. Just a random Uniqlo yellow t-shirt. My Maison Kitsune relaxing fox t-shirt. My Sandro Desire t-shirt. This is just a more athletic style running shirt. It is long sleeve from Lululemon, but I figured it's very breathable. So like if I need that. This is a super old Burberry t-shirt. I literally wear this to death. This will probably be my comfy cozy t-shirt. And then bringing this Sandro Love polo, just for the fancier dinner. So I have 3 pairs of these Lululemon, I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're these amazing shorts. I love them so much. I have this really nice yellow, which I will place right there. I also have this khaki green, which I'm bringing. And then I also have this sort of teal color. And then for pants, the Lululemon ABC joggers in black and in green. And then these swim shorts that I got from Bikini Village, they have these little like fish bones on them, and they're super bright and fun. Really love them. It's already getting tight. As for books, so I went to the library this morning. I got 2 books. I got one, The Day the World Stops Shopping by J.B. McKinnon. This one I actually got recommended to from a CTV article. It's basically a thought experiment on what would happen if the world stopped shopping. And then I also got this one called Dustborn by Aaron Bowman. I'm really into fantasy and sci-fi young adult fiction. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this one's all about. I'm gonna be bringing this jacket. Looks like this. It's very stretchy, it's very comfortable, very lightweight. Also it has vents so it doesn't get overly hot. This was actually really cool. Got it on Essence. Collab between these 2. It was only 50 bucks as well, which is like really good. And it looks pretty cute. Honestly, I've never done a pack with me, so I don't know if this is like what y'all wanted, but this is what y'all are getting. So this is the other view. This is also good to see what I actually bring in my Rimowa. So here you can see everything is sort of piled on top of each other. Book on my shirts, shoes, another book, underwear, socks. Amazing. Oh my god, it's a little heavy, but whatever, we'll make do. Now on to this one. Okay, so for this bag, my passport, I am bringing my Instax mini Polaroid camera. Also bringing a flash camera. My friend brought one of these on one of the trips that we did together, and the pictures turned out really cool, so I'm very excited to use this one. Sunglasses. In here, you know, travel pouch, keep all the essentials, like my wallet, some cash, ready to go. I forgot to show my cosmetics, so this is a little pouch from Sage. I got it quite a while ago, but I just have toothbrush, everything zipped up in little plastic bags here. So I have all of my sunscreens, everything, and then just some medication in there. So basically that's it for this video. Just a little quick one. Just wanted to, you know, go through this process with you. I'm so very excited to go to Punta Cana, sit on a beach. I'm beyond ready. Work has been getting pretty hectic, pretty intense. I've been doing a lot of things. So I'm very excited to have a full week off and just disconnect. I will let you all know when I get back. Thank you all for watching. I hope this was enjoyable for you. I'll link some other videos down below, especially on some of these things, just so you can get a better idea if you're interested. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye guys.